Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to transform a single photo into a cinematic coral theme makeover video using an AI template called Coral Dreamscape using PixVerse. And okay, let's get started. First, just open PixVerse, and then you can use the web versions or the app versions like this. And after that, just log in with your account. You can use Google account or your another email. And then after that, don't worry about the credits because PixVerse will give you free daily credits, so you can try this without paying anything. And once you're logged in, just go to the template sections. From there, just tap on Makeover Studio, this one, and then in this section, just contain AI-powered transformations template for face and body effects. And after that, just scroll until you find the Coral Dreamscape effect, this one. Just tap on it like this, and after that, just tap on use template. This template will create an underwater inspired look with coral ornaments appearing naturally on your face and body. It's perfect for fantasy, surreal, and aesthetic transformations video. And then next, just upload your photo. For the best result, just use a clear photo with good lighting where your face and upper body are visible, for example like this. And then after that, just simply tap on create. It will take 20 credits. Just tap on it, go back and go to mine and wait for the process. Okay, your video is ready. Let's try to play it. Okay, like this. Now your photo is now transformed into a video with coral ornaments growing and blending seamlessly across your face and body like this. I think it's so good. It looks incredible. The motion, the lighting, and texture feel realistic and cinematic like this. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.